I think if you look around the Guardian website, there's almost no area now in which the reader, the consumer, the person outside the newspaper isn't contributing. It's happening in travel. People who live in these places will know more about them than an old-fashioned travel correspondent going to write about them. It's happening in over-by-over cricket as we speak. It's happening in the reaction to Woolwich through our Guardian Witness app. It's happening in Comment is Free. It's happening in the Environment site, which is a network of sites of experts, which gives us a global scale in our environment coverage that we could never have before. It's happening in children writing book reviews. It's happening in people responding to cultural events, in writing about music. It's happening in investigative journalism, in reporters using Twitter to say we need witnesses or people know about this. So actually, wherever you look now in The Guardian, it's happening. We call it open journalism, but it's really just going with the grain of the way that information is being created and shared and not trying to fight that.